Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to start restoring my 2020 TC125 and I'll show you what I got going on here. Now the reasoning why this thing needs all fixed up is because when I crashed like 6 months ago, I got taken to the hospital. This bike has just been literally sitting since then and it is just have mud caked all over it. Exhaust is rusty as can be, so I'll show you guys how to redo that. This bike currently has 25 hours on it, so might as well throw in a new piston before it's too late when it blows up, so I don't want to redo the cylinder. Yeah, so let's rip her apart after we give her a nice good cleaning. Sadly, when someone was unloading my truck, the hose to the power washer is gone, so I'm going to be washing it with just a regular hose with a little end on it. So it'll be easy for you guys at home to follow along with the process with this, even if you don't have a power washer. Alright, I have some of the stuff here that we'll need to clean up the bike. First, I have a little air filter cover, so then when we're power washing the bike, well, in this instance, when we're just washing the bike, we don't get any water inside the carburetor. Second, I have this little butt plug, a little exhaust plug here, and that goes into your exhaust. If you don't have one of these, you can use many different things. I'm not gonna say anything. You could also use a banana. Next up, we have Simple Green, best cleaner ever, super cheap. I don't really use any fancy cleaners. Next we just have this bristle brush here and also a microfiber towel to clean everything off and dry everything off. So let's get the hosing this sucker down. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is get this bike on its side, so let's get to that. Also, you want to make sure that your gas is turned off whenever you have a carbureted boomsicle here, so make sure to do that. Bike is all pretty clean. It is inside now, all nice and dry. So what we're going to do now is disassemble everything to kind of get to the top end. I'll have a whole entire top end rebuild video for probably the next video. Basically, seat, shroud, gas tank, airbox, boot maybe, I don't know yet. So let's just get to it. say disassembling this wasn't too bad. So I got the front fender taken off and the front number plate just because I want to clean inside of here pretty deep and nice. And
yeah, real deep.
I lost everything I was gonna say. So anyways, I'm going to clean this all up and then
he's gonna figure all that.
I'm gonna clean this all up just so then I don't get anything inside of the engine when I'm opening it up to rebuild it.